DKubeX 2.0 gives you hybrid AI, and sometimes you need to reach for the frontier, global intelligence when needed. In this tutorial, we'll connect Claude Code in your DKubeX 2.0 workspace directly to a Claude subscription. First, clear the govern default so the agent can sign in on its own. Open Settings, go to the Workspace tab and set the default model to None. This injects no model settings, so your workspace agents use their own. Click Apply and Restart, and wait for the workspace to come back. Once the pod has restarted, open Claude Code. With no default model set, it isn't logged in, so type /login. From the login methods, choose the first, Claude account with subscription. Claude Code gives you a sign-in link. Copy it, open it in your browser, and authorize your account. Copy the authentication code it returns, come back and paste it in. Login successful. Now type /model, and you'll see every model that comes with your Claude subscription. That's global intelligence when needed, the frontier, one login away, right inside DKubeX 2.0.